Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Flink SQL Analytics tutorials, detailed guide step by step clear. In the address bar, type in the official Flink website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, navigate to the resources section located in the main menu. Look for a link labeled tutorials and click on it to access the Flink SQL Analytics resources. Scroll through the list of available tutorials to find the one specifically related to Flink SQL. Once you locate the SQL tutorials, take a moment to review the course descriptions. Identify the tutorial series that aligns with your learning goals. You may be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the instructions to fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a password. After entering your information, submit the form to create your account. If an email verification is required, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the tutorial page and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate back to the SQL tutorials section. Click on the subscription button again to confirm your enrollment. Review any additional materials or resources offered with the subscription. Make sure to check your email for updates regarding the tutorials. You will now receive notifications about new content and upcoming sessions. Enjoy your Flink SQL Analytics learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.